Hi loves and welcome. In today's video I'm showing you how I went from this to this, a beautiful foxy eye look that I'm so obsessed with. It was inspired on Kendall Jenner and some other pictures that I found on Pinterest. Foxy eyes are so in right now. So the first thing I do is I pull my hair back. You can either do it like with your hair down and kind of hide it under your hair, or you can just do a high ponytail. That's what I did. I really like how it looks. It really lifts my eyes and is the first step to give that lifted eye look. Then I move into my brows, and again I really want to give the illusion of having my eyes super lifted. So instead of like doing my brows normally, I really want to keep the ends of the brows straight instead of arch them a lot and bring them down. That really helps with giving that really lifted effect. And then I just like do my brows as I usually do. I like to keep them darker on the ends and then have that kind of little bit of a feathery look on the front of my brows. And I'm just using the Benefit Cosmetics brow pencil, and here the powder duo from KylieCosmetics. I love it. I always like to use a pencil and then darken my brows on the end with the brow powder or something like that. Then I'm gonna be using the Plouise base to carve my brows, highlight my brow bone, and really like keep my brows super straight at the end. And here I'm just gonna do the same on the other brow. That will help with that lifted look. And to prime my eyes for eyeshadow, I use the same base with like a fluffy brush and just like apply all over my lids to make them ready for the eyeshadow application. For eyeshadow, I'm gonna go in with Bperfect Clientele eyeshadow palette, one of my favorites. Love this brand, and I just took a peachy shade. You can take a bronzy shade, a brown shade, whatever complements your complexion. And I'm just like contouring my eye, and then on the other corner, I'm just taking that shade and meet my brow. Just really take it up and really lift my eyes. As you guys can see, it makes such a huge difference. It really lifts my eye, and then I'm doing the same on the other eye. Then I'm gonna go and create a winged liner with a dark brown shade from the palette. I want to keep it thin and long, a little bit thicker on the outer corner and then super thin on the inner corner. That really helps with the foxy eye. And I'm gonna blend it out because I really want to keep it natural. I'm also gonna take it to the inner corner and shade my tear duct to really like tilt my eyes down in the inner corner and tilt my eyes up on the outer corner to really give that tilted lifted brow lift effect. As you guys can see, it really helps. My eyes look so big. It looks super lifted in comparison to the before. Then here I have hooded eyes, you guys, so I like to shade a little bit of my brow bone to really give that illusion of a bigger lid space. And then I'm just gonna clean up my liner to even pronounce more the liner, really take it up, and you guys can see it really lifts my eyes a lot. Then it's time for lashes. I'm gonna just curl my lashes, apply mascara, and lashes are super important when it comes to foxy eyes because you really want to use flare lashes. You want to use lashes that are much more fuller on the outer corner and shorter on the inner corner to really help with that look. And these Doha from LillyLashes are one of my favorites, and it really helps with that look. I love how these make my eyes look bigger, more lifted, really pretty. I love this eye look, and I'm sure you guys gonna love it too. I mean, if you see the before and the after, you know what I mean. And it's time for the face. I'm gonna be using the liquid silk canvas from Tatcha. This is the liquid version of their super famous primer, but I feel like I like this version even more. It really fills in my pores. I just like to apply that all over my face, and it makes my skin ready for makeup application. Then what I'm gonna be doing next is conceal and correct my dark circles. They're out of control. It's a family thing. And the corrector that I use is the Maybelline Master Camo Corrector in Peach. Time for foundation, I'm gonna go in with one of my favorites, Born This Way foundation from TooFaced in the shade Nude, and I really like to go in with foundation. I really want to hide all those imperfections, make my skin look flawless, and yeah, I just really love this foundation. I'm using the e.l.f. blurring brush, which is one of my favorites, and then I go in with a sponge to like blend everything together and just make everything look more blended, take away the excess. Time for concealer. This step really helps with lifting your eyes as well. You want to take the concealer really up your temples and really like highlight those points over there. And I mean, like, how gorgeous this blends. I love this concealer so much. This is in the shade Light. And yeah, concealer is done. I'm not baking, but I'm just like setting the concealer with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder. And here I'm just like taking off the foundation of my lips and just moisturize my lips with a lip mask. Time for contouring and bronzing. I'm gonna be using the Tantour from Huda Beauty in the shade Light, one of my favorite cream products ever. I just apply a little bit into the back of my hands and go directly into my cheekbones, never under my cheekbones, always above, to really keep that lifted look, really meet my temples, go into my forehead and shade there as well. And then I will take what's left on the brush and shade my nose, really contour it, slim it down, and I will do the same on my jawline. I really want to be snatched, lifted, bronzed, you know, don't look flat, and that's what it does. Then I'm gonna apply a little bit of liquid blush. This is from Iconic, a little bit on my cheeks, a little bit on my nose, and it makes the look really cute. And then I'm gonna go with the Hoola bronzer and really contour, really darken up those edges, and on my forehead as well, jawline, nose. I mean, all those steps to slim down, contour my face, to really keep it snatched. That's what we need, that's what we want, right? And then for highlighter, I'm gonna be using the Iconic.London Illuminator, just with a little bit with my finger, apply it on the high points of my face because I really don't want a super in your face highlighter. I didn't even want to highlight, but I thought maybe just a little bit of shine, a tiny bit, not so much, you see, super natural. Just when the light hits, you can see that glow. That's what I wanted. And then to finish up my eyes, I'm gonna go in with a peachy shade from that same palette and just do a very natural look under my eyes. And with the Tatcha glow mist, I don't know the name of this glow mist, but I believe it's glow mist, I'm not sure. I'm just gonna make my skin look like skin again. If you have oily skin, don't use this spray. They have another type of spray for oily skin. I have combo, I shouldn't use it, but I just use a tiny bit. Then I wanted to add freckles into this look. I'm using a trick, a hack that I saw on TikTok. With a Hoola bronzer, setting spray, and then a brush, I'm creating these cute little freckles to, you know, just a little cute touch. Then go in with mascara, and the eyes are done. And now it's time for the lips. And for lips, I'm starting by lining my lips with the MacCosmetics Soar lip liner. I don't know how you pronounce that. And then I'm gonna go in with Built to Last from KylieCosmetics and apply that all over the lips. I love this shade, one of my favorites ever. And since I thought the first liner was a little bit light, I went in with Moon from KylieCosmetics to shade it a bit more, and then Anastasia Beverly Hills Sand to highlight the center of my lips. And then to finish this look, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe brushes spray, and that's pretty much it for this look, you guys. You can see I'm super happy with how it came out. I mean, look at my face before. Just look at my face and see the after. See how much more lifted my eyes look. I mean, this foxy eye is everything. I look so snatched. I am so obsessed with this look. I hope you guys are too. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Follow me on social media, and I see you guys on my next one. Bye bye.